It's T Jack in the back for more. You already know what I have in store. The championship is on the way. I'm like the Pats back in the day. I'm on a mission, get out of my way. By the end, I'm gonna get paid. Gotta protect my championship. Ain't no way it's getting stripped. Ain't no need in even trying. You hunting like you're Orion, but you'll never get the belt. Yeah, never get the prize. Even if you try, I'll just swat you down like flies or burn you like fries. Better open up your eyes. I'm the best you've ever seen. I stay up like I'm on caffeine. This stuff is just routine. Pounce on you like a Wolverine. I win. End of scene. I keep going like a broken machine. Ain't no way you're beating me. You must be crazier than Charlie Sheen. I can't wait. Like a Bart Scott. A champion. You are not. Who are you? I forgot. You fade away like a jump shot. I'm too hot. You're too cold. I'm real-ish. Your fool's gold. And please behold the championship unfold. All I care about is winning in the GOAT Dynasty. I've already won twice and this year make it 3. I got nothing left to say cause I've already said it all. GOAT Dynasty, fantasy football.